Hello everyone, welcome back to abacus level 3. At first you need a little more practice to move which bead up and down. So I'm just for practicing, keep moving your fingers for 5, 6, 7, 8, move them down, move them up and down the ones place. So coming to small friend formula in abacus for addition and subtraction, since we don't have many beads, we have only 4 ones and 1 5. And here to get 1, 4 and 1 is the small friend, 3 and 2 are the small friend, 2 and 3 are the small friend, 1 and 4 are the small friend. So let us add 3 plus 3 over here. Since we have only 3 beads which we can move up, and after that we don't have any more beads, so we move 5 down and subtract the small friend of 3. The small friend of 3 is 2, so we remove 2 beads and you get the correct answer, that is 6. We bring down 5 and we subtract 2 beads. It's a very simple formula, you don't have to remember it. It's obvious, when you add in 5 you have to subtract it from the down beads. That's the only technique you can remember. Next example is 4 plus 4. Now since we have only 4 beads, we move them up, we don't have any more, so we bring down 5 and subtract 1, because we needed only 4, we have added 5 here and we subtract from the down one. That's all. Some more examples.